Hi,
There it
Megan.
is.
Okay, go to results. Click on gradebook. Go to oh, yes, of course, you want to put in your class. And go to results, gradebook, manage. And if you click this grade sync, it will do it all. Let me know if it works, because the students that I had that said, blah blah blah, their grades weren't uploading, they did no work. So click the grade sync and give it about 24 to 48 hours if you're doing the entire grade book, or you can do each one individually. So you can do each lesson individually. And if that doesn't work, then they might be going to the standalone. Okay? All right. Good luck.